Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to give you a review of this laptop. This is Acer Nitro 5. It's a gaming series from Acer. In this video mainly we'll cover three things. One is the cost, second thing is how does it look from the inside, from the outside, and which all things you will get in the package, how you will feel when you do the unboxing, and the third thing is why exactly I went for this one considering my budget, my use case and the configuration. So these things we are going to cover. Stay tuned. Before we move further, please do subscribe my channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Now from the pricing wise, I got this for 50,000. The actual cost of this product is 80,000. Let me show you. So that's about the pricing. I'll put the link of this product in the description. You can explore on the Amazon site. Okay, now let's talk about the looks. See, you will receive this laptop in a case like this. It's a nice fancy looking carton, and you will receive basic things: laptop, power adapter and few booklets. Now from the outside it looks very fancy. It has a texture and metallic hinges. On the top it has this Acer badging, and on the hinge it has the Nitro badging. So the color theme and the texture, they all look very good. From the outside it looks very fancy. When you open it, see, you can open the lid with just one hand because the base is very heavy. It has a dual metallic cooling fan, so when you lift the lid the base won't come up. You can lift the lid with just one hand. Let's do it. Now this is how it looks from the inside. It looks very fancy. The best part is these edges. These are not squarish, so this gives a fancy look plus a gaming appeal. And it's a full size keypad, separate keypad for the numeric, and you can easily type because it's a 15.6 inch full size laptop. And in the mousepad you don't get separate buttons for the left and the right click. You have to press the edges of the mousepad only, so that's one missing thing. But the keypad is very nice. The keys are very smooth, and you can see there is a sufficient gap between the keys and you won't end up pressing the wrong one. So overall this is how it looks, and it looks very fancy, very premium. It gives you a gaming appeal. So that's about the looks part. So now let's discuss the important part, why exactly I went for this laptop. See, my use cases, I do heavy tasking, programming and video editing. So now I'll show you the configuration and you will get the answer. See, this has Windows 10 pre-installed with lifetime validity. Okay, it has Intel Core i5 with 8th generation, and this is a very good processor for video editing and programming. Now this is important. See, it has full HD screen. So if you want to make a video of your screen recording, then you need the full HD screen. So this has it with IPS panel. Okay, and this has a graphics card with 4 GB memory, and it's a very decent graphics card, Nvidia GeForce GTX 1050. For video editing and for gaming, this is a good laptop, good graphics card. Now it has 8 GB of RAM. Okay, and interestingly it is expandable up to 32. So tomorrow when it's needed we can expand also. Okay, now this is the most important thing. This has the 256 SSD and 1 TB of mechanical hard drive. So this SSD gives the performance and the mechanical hard drive gives the storage. So it has a performance plus the storage. Okay, now it has a 4-cell battery, so the battery backup is very good. I have been using for about 2 weeks, and if you don't do the gaming and the video editing, heavy tasking, then the battery lasts for about 7 to 8 hours. So you see on the right side it has these ports. It has a power adapter, then the indicator for the battery and the screen, whether the screen is running or not. Then it has 2 USB, okay, and the audio jack. Now on the left side it has a Kingston lock, RJ45 connector for the internet. This is type C, this is HDMI, one more USB and the card reader. Now you see this has the type C also. So if you want to create a desk and you want to connect everything with just one port, then you can use a type C adapter, and this port will help in creating a desk. Okay, so you see it has a futuristic ports also. Now I'll show you the last thing. So you see these are pre-created drives, C drive and D drive. This is 256, this is 1 TB. So C drive is the SSD and D drive is the mechanical drive. See, the OS is already installed in the C drive, and all the softwares obviously we will install in the C drive because this is a high performing drive. Okay, and this is mechanical drive. All the passive data can be kept here. Okay, and all the frequently used files can be kept here for the high performance. So this is the biggest reason, having the SSD 256 SSD plus the 1 TB of mechanical hard drive is the biggest reason I went for this laptop. One more interesting thing is this has a Norton antivirus pre-installed, so which is a free goodie. I like that part. So that's it about this video. If you like this content, please hit the like button. and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.